We were sent this deodorant cream from Arrowroot to test out, and I'm so excited to tell you more about it. I've been trying it now for over a week, and let me tell you about it. First, deodorant creams. I've never actually used a deodorant cream, just the regular deodorant stick. And for a while there, I felt like I was making a collection of deodorants. For me, it's been really a struggle to find a deodorant that actually lasts all day. And even ones that have not the greatest ingredients in it, those ones weren't cutting it. So I've been really trying to find something. And so when they sent this, I was really excited to give it a test. And let me tell you, it lasts all day. And I have even asked my husband, like, let me know the truth. Are you smelling anything? And he really likes the scent of it, but he definitely hasn't been smelling me. So it has been doing its job. And the ingredients in it are a huge plus. What in it is great. I think I only counted 6 different ingredients, but what's not in it is even the better part. So let me show you the consistency and how it goes right into the skin and leaves no sort of trace of residue. So here's the cream. It suggests about a pea-size little dot. Sorry, I have a little bit of razor burn there, so ignore. But you just rub that right in. Smells really great. I'm also excited to test out some of their other scents. But it smooths right in, and I haven't noticed leaving any sort of residue on any of my clothes. I, for one, am been so impressed. I'm so glad that they sent it to us because now they have their newest customer. I'm going to stay with Arrowroot. I'm excited to test out some of their other scents. The coconut really does smell fantastic, especially if you're conscientious about just what you're putting into your body. This is fantastic, but it also works because unfortunately sometimes the natural things don't always do their jobs, but this doesn't have the bad stuff, has the good stuff, and it lasts all day.